Hi students, good morning. How are you all? All are fine? Okay, and I hope you all are enjoying classes, ma. Today we are going to deal with ninth class English. So I have completed the lesson, na? The first lesson, Unit 1, Part A, the snake and mirror has been completed. And I think you all enjoyed the class. So we have learned a lot here, like how the narrator gives importance what to himself. Okay, and what are the feelings he has, and what are his plans which he had. Then finally, what happened we saw. So, and yes, I told you about this author. I told you the author. So today we let's go into the second topic, ma. Part B. Part B. This is also very interesting, my student. This is also very interesting. So open your textbooks, page number 16. Page number 16. Okay. Am I clear, ma? Page number 16. Page number 16. And today is day 5 English, ma. Day 5 English. The duck and the kangaroo. Duck and the kangaroo. So you see, okay, the convention between a duck and a kangaroo. Because actually, what the duck wants and how the kangaroo helps the duck. In what way both become friends, and how they enjoy by leaping over the world. Okay, you will see. Yama, this is a very interesting story, ma. And this poem is written by Edward Lear. Edward Lear. He's a very good poet. So also we have about him. So this is a very good poem. So we just start, ma. Duck and the kangaroo, ma. Said the duck to the kangaroo. Said the duck to the kangaroo. Good gracious, how you hop. So the duck told the kangaroo. Good gracious, how you hop. See the kangaroo hops. See, kangaroo hops. The kangaroo keeps hopping. It doesn't walk more. And duck, duck walks very slowly. Said the duck to the kangaroo. The duck told the kangaroo, good gracious, how you hop. Over the fields and the water too. So he said, you are hopping over the fields. And the water too. You are traveling everywhere. You are traveling across the fields. You are traveling across the water. Who told? The duck told whom? The duck told the kangaroo. As if you never would stop. Who never stop? My life is a bore in this nasty pond. So he said, no, my life is very boring. I'm always here only. You are enjoying, you are seeing the different places, you are hopping, you are going, you are seeing the rivers, you are seeing the waters, you are seeing the fields. But whereas my life is very boring because I am staying here only, where in the dirty pond, nasty pond. And I long to go out in the world beyond. So he says, no, I long and I want to go to the world beyond. I want to see the world. But I cannot go. Because why? I cannot walk fast, neither can I fly. So what I know is only the nasty pond. I wish I could hop like you. He said, I wish if I could hop like you. You miss who? The kangaroo. Said the duck to the kangaroo. This is what the duck told the kangaroo. What the duck told the kangaroo? He told the kangaroo, see, kangaroo, you are very lucky. You are hopping from fields to fields and you are passing over the waters. Your life is very interesting. Whereas my life, whose life means the duck's life, is very boring. Why? Because what I know is only the nasty pond where I live. I cannot fly, neither can I hop like you. Who told? The duck told the kangaroo. What? Okay. We'll see. Please give me a ride on your back, said the duck to the kangaroo. So now the duck asked the kangaroo, please give me a ride on your back. It asked him to give a ride on his back. Said the duck to the kangaroo. The duck told the kangaroo. The duck requested the kangaroo to give him a ride. I would sit quite still and say nothing but quack. I would sit quietly and say nothing but quack. But you see, actually, the sound of ducks, a dog barks. Okay, and the birds. Okay, say that the sound made of okay, you can say the duck quacks, the sound made of a duck. For example, I'll tell you one example: a cat mews, a cat mews. So a donkey brays, a lion roars. So this is all sounds made by animals and birds. So what is the sound made by a duck? The sound made by duck is quack. So what am I? A duck quacks. A duck quacks. I would sit quite still and say nothing but quack. I would sit on your back, sit quietly. I won't say anything. I won't move. I'll sit still. But I will not do. I'll only quack. The whole of the long day true. So whole of the long day true. Who said the full day I'll sit quietly on your back. You just take me around the world. Show me the world. And we would go to the D and the jelly bow lee. So and we would go to the D and the jelly bow lee. Who told? The duck told the kangaroo. Okay. Over the land and over the sea. They wanted to see the world. They wanted to go over the land and over the sea. Please take me a ride. Please take me a ride. So he said, no, the duck asked the kangaroo, please give me a ride. Please give me a ride on your back. A ride on your back. Who told? The duck told the kangaroo. Said the duck to the kangaroo. This is what, man? What happened now? So because now we can say that the duck cannot fly, neither it can hop. So it asked the kangaroo to give it a ride. So here we see. Said the kangaroo. Now the kangaroo. So here the duck told the kangaroo. Now the kangaroo tell the duck. The kangaroo tell the duck. Said the kangaroo to the duck. Now the kangaroo told the duck. This requires some little reflection. So the kangaroo told the duck, okay, if you want me to give you a ride, I will give you a ride, certainly. I will give you a ride. But it requires some little reflection. Okay, what it is? It needs some reflection. Perhaps on the whole, it might bring me luck. So anyway, it may bring me luck. I may be lucky to give you a ride. I may be lucky to give you a ride. Maybe that I'll get luck. I will get luck. But there seems but one objection. There is one objection. I have no other objection. I will take you. I'll give you a ride. I'll give you a ride. Since you asked me. But I have one objection. Which is, if you will let me speak so bold. So he says, I have one objection. I will tell you frankly. Let me speak to you boldly. Your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold. Your main problem is your feet. So you can see, the feet. Here, see, the feet. Your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold. Your feet are wet and cold, and would probably give me the rheumatism, said the kangaroo. So, because your feet, because the duck always plays in the water, no? So okay, so he says, no, because you would probably give me the rheumatism, said the kangaroo. So what he said, no, more probably, I'll give you a round. I'll give you a ride on the back. But what did I know? Because your feet is wet and cold, you would probably give me the rheumatism. Rheumatism, no, it's a kind of disease. It's a kind of disease. Which one? The rheu. So this we saw, my students. We saw this one clearly. Okay, ma? So okay, am I understood, ma? So we'll complete the topic in the next class, ma. So now we just come back here, ma. I think I completed this topic. Did I or not? This I completed. So today your work is nothing, ma. So I think you are enjoying the classes now, students. Am I clear to you, ma? See, today your work is nothing. Here, Venkat Rao was a rich man. He wanted to set up some business. So this same, use the above phrases. So you are given phrases. In the phrasal verbs in the brackets. Make necessary changes in the verb forms. So Venkat Rao was a rich man. He wanted to. You are writing, ma? Page number 12. Take a pencil also. He wanted to set up some business in the town. So he took out a lot of money. So this is what I can give you, all my students. So you will just complete it today with your own. Don't take the help of anyone. Complete it as your own. So I gave you all some phrases here. Yes, phrases. Okay, ma. With these phrases, you will complete the sentence, ma. Complete the sentence to make a meaningful paragraph. This is your work today, ma. This is your work today, students. Hope you are enjoying the class, students. So do your work. Okay, take out a pic and send it to me by WhatsApp as fast as possible and as neat as you can. Okay, ma? Okay, students, bye. Take care. Be safe and secure, ma. Students, any doubts, you can contact me, ma, anytime.